Hi friends! I'm so happy to see you again. My name is Miss Pavlina and today, my friends, we're gonna learn about vowels. There is no word without a vowel. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's start with the vowel A, E, I, O, and U. There are 5 vowels. Again, A, E, I, O, and U. Fantastic! Alright friends, so let's give some examples with words. We're gonna start with A. What's the sound? The short vowel is ah. Short vowel ah. Okay, so we're gonna sing This is how we sing the letter Short vowel This is how we sing the letter Short vowel At. Cat, cat. G. Bag, bag. N. Fan, fan. At. Hat, hat. This is how we sing together. Short vowel. Well done, my friends. Alright, my friends, the next vowel make the sound eh. This is letter E, but the short vowel make the sound eh. Eh, eh, eh. Everybody, everywhere, eh, eh, eh. Short vowel eh. B, eh, d. Bed, bed. B, eh, d. Bed, bed. P, eh, g. Peg, peg. P, eh, g. Peg, peg. H, eh, n. Hen, hen. H, eh, n. Hen, hen. T, eh, n. Ten, ten. T, eh, n. Ten, ten. Eh, eh, eh. Everybody, everywhere, eh, eh, eh. Short vowel eh. Great job, my friends! Thank you so much! Alright! Alright, friends, let's move on the letter U. The short vowel, the sound of the short vowel is Alright, short vowel I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel B, g. Buck, buck. B, g. Buck, buck. N, t. Nut, nut. N, t. Nut, nut. S, n. Sun, sun. S, n. Sun, sun. H, t. Hut, hut. H, t. Hut, hut. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say this vowel every day. Way to go, my friends! Next vowel is letter O. The short vowel sound is O. Ready? Sing with me, sing with me, all together. Sing with me, sing with me. Short vowel, O, D, O, G. Dog, dog, D, O, G. Dog, dog, T, O, P. Top, top, T, O, P. Top, top, B, O, X. Box, box, B, O, X. Box, box, P, O, P. Pop, pop, P, O, P. Pop, pop. Sing with me, sing with me, sing all together. Sing with me, sing with me. Short vowel O. All right, you did it! Great job, friends. All right, friends, the last vowel is I, which makes the short vowel sound of E. Ready? All right. I can say, I can say, I can say. I can say, I can say. Short vowel E. G. Pig, pig. Pig, pig. B, bed, bed. B, bed, bed. Pen, pen. Pen, pen. Zip, 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 zip. I can say, I can say, I can say. I can say, I can say, I can say. Short vowel E. Awesome! So that was all from me, and I hope I see you another day. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.